guys, how you all are? I just look like you all are fine. Welcome back to my channel Barbie Girls. I am Shanaya and it's my third video, so I'm gonna show you that I have bought something. I want this thing from many days and I have bought today only, and I am going to show that thing to you all guys. So I have bought 2 packets of fake nails. In one packet there are 10 nails for both hands, 5 and I'm gonna show you that. I have bought this from store. I bought 2 only, you can see it, and there is one glue bottles also. In 2 packets there are one glue bottles also. You can see one of them is orange and black with glue, and one of them is blue from upper side, anything else is not there, and there is one glue also, you can see it. So in one packet there are 10, so I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna show you the fake nails, and I'll show you just how cool it's. See the blue one, you can see guys, see the blue one, how it looks cool. You can see or not, you can see this. Okay, so blue one is also nice. It's just look nice on this one dress, but I have not stick because I have bought this for getting out or any function like that. So now I'm going to show you the next orange one. It is also nice, but it is full printed, so I'll show you. It's just so much nice. You don't have to do nail art also on this fake nails. Okay, I'll just open it. How amazing it is. You can see there is one glue and there is some nails. I am going to show you one of them only because I can't get out the all of nails. You can see nail, how it looks. Tell me in comments. Just love this orange one because and the glue, I'll just show you what is written on this. I don't know because there is some another language. No, artificial nails. We'll meet in next video. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. Bye guys. Subscribe to my channel and bye guys. We will meet in next video.